We want to ensure that your electric and manual torque screwdrivers remain accurate throughout their lifetime. That's why we carry a variety of torque testers and analyzers so you know exactly what their torque output is for both quality control and production environments. Handheld and rotary torque testers are great for quality control around the shop, while bench-mounted testers provide a stable workstation for calibration. Torque testers come in a variety of torque ranges, with some models offering multiple transducers that are easily replaceable and serviceable. Torque analyzers are great for production environments, and some can be used to check residual torque for maximum QC and traceability. Features such as wireless battery models, data output and traceability, internal memory, overload protection, bidirectional detection, and varieties of operating modes can be found in our selection of torque testers. Visit our website flexibleassembly.com, and one of our customer service specialists can help you find the perfect torque tester for your applications.